Hey everybody, it's me, Lady T, coming to you to share with you this product by NicPro. It is epoxy resin, and these are some of the things that came in the box. And you see here, I am actually unboxing, so you can see that this stuff actually came with the NicPro Epoxy Resin. It is 32 ounces per bottle. And here you see I am using my Diva mold to demonstrate this NicPro Epoxy Resin. Now, this is not a paid advertisement. This is just them sending me their product so that I can show you how I like it. And I really do like this product. I really do like this. NicPro Epoxy Resin is low odor and very little bubbles. So just watch and see what I do. So here I'm just mixing epoxy right now, the epoxy resin. It is a two-part resin, part A and part B. You have to mix them and measure them evenly, exact amount for each one, and then mix them together. Stir for at least 2 minutes, 5 minutes if you can. And here you see me pouring, I poured resin into 4 cups that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I poured mica powder in those cups. And as you can see, I'm using 4 different colors for this Diva. Another thing I like about this NicPro Epoxy Resin is that when I got it, the package was intact. No epoxy was spilt in the box. And the lid has a safety part in it that you stick into the resin, and then you put the lid on. You stick into the bottle and then you put the lid on, which helps with things not leaking. I really like that. So it's packaged very, very well. And I would use this. I would definitely use this. Look at those beautiful colors. And y'all know, those of you all that know me know that I love mica powder. And I'm trying to tell you, this mica powder is beautiful. Now, I've used NicPro mica powder before, but since I moved, I haven't been able to find it. So I was pleasantly surprised to see all of this mica powder in here and able to use it. Yes. So here she is in the mold the next morning. And here she is out of the mold. And I'm coming to you to show you the end results of me using NicPro Epoxy Resin and NicPro mica powders. And here she is. Beautiful, just like me. I do like the mica powder and the epoxy resin. I like the fact that I did use it and it was very, very, very low odor. Very, very little bubbles. And I left it sit overnight. I started it in the late afternoon. I left it sit overnight. Before I went to bed, it had already hardened like the top part. But when I got up in the morning, it was completely hard. It's not completely cured yet because it takes several days for it to be completely cured. But I am so pleased with the results of this Diva. Now, all of the colors did blend together because I was doing a lot of stirring with it, but it's okay because guess what? I'm going to turn her into a clock, and I'll show you the end results when I get done. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, everybody, here I am taking my beautiful Diva, and I'm drilling a hole in it so I can make this into a clock. Please make sure you wear safety goggles when doing this. So because I couldn't get the screw to go around the thing, I just glued it. I just glued it on there, and it's just gonna stay on there like that. I'm probably going to go back and put some more stronger glue on it to make sure that it holds, so if I hang it on the wall it won't fall off with the glue. Here I'm using some clock hands, and I got this whole clock and mechanism set from Amazon, and it came with 4 pairs of clock hands and 4 clock mechanisms in different sizes. So I had used the other size for another clock, but I'm just using this one now. As you can see now, I'm putting the numbers on the clock, and I'm only doing 12, 3, 6, and 9 because I think it would take away from the Diva if I put too many numbers on it. So here I am. I'm using some quick dry glue that I got from Walmart to adhere the numbers to the Diva. Definitely did not want to use hot glue for this, so we're using the quick dry glue. And I apologize for not being able to see me put the number 12 on there, but trust and believe me, it's on there, and you will see it here shortly. So the noise in the background is because I live in an apartment complex, and they're out there making noise now just because I want to do this video. So as you can see, the 12 is there, and the 3, 6, and 9, and I'm just trying to adjust it right now, and there you have it. I think this is a beautiful clock. Okay, here is the finished product, and I hope you like her as much as I do. She's going to be on the wall like this, so the numbers really aren't crooked, but she's going to be on the wall like this. And this is the finished product. Oh, she almost popped me in the face. This is the finished product. I think she's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, I would like to let you know on behalf of NicPro, and for you watching this video, they're giving you a coupon code for 10% off, and the code is V as in Victor 78 AW, P as in Paul, N as in Nancy, J as in Jesus, and it's a 10% off code. Again, that's V78 AW, P, N, J, and you will use this code for a 10% discount. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try out this NicPro because it is really, really good. This lady, solid. Rock solid. She is good. She is good. Okay? And she will look great on your wall, in your office, in your home, somewhere. She will look marvelous. So thank you for watching. This is Lady T of Lady T's Things That Bling, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. You'll enjoy what you find on this page. All right, thanks again.